Good morning, guys. Welcome back to All Things Antonia. It is Wednesday, July 4th, 2018. Happy Independence Day to you guys. Happy 4th of July. So it's still early in the morning. It is actually, what time is it? 8:15 in the morning. And of course, I'm off work today. I'm just about to make myself a cup of coffee. And I just thought I would pop on here and say what's up to you guys. So I think I'm gonna choose, let's see, I have this blueberry coffee, but I think I'm gonna just do regular coffee for this morning. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope everyone got the day off from work today, and just to celebrate this holiday and, you know, in observance of those who serve our country and those who have given their lives for our country and those who are still here protecting us every day. So we thank you for your service and thank you what you do for our country. So while my Keurig is preheating and getting ready, I'm gonna go ahead and fix my cup. So what I do, tell me if you do the same thing. I like to put my creamer and my sugar in my cup before I put the coffee in, and I feel like that just makes it so much more I don't know, I feel like it just all kind of melts down in there easier. Yes, I use a lot of creamer. Okay, here we go. I need a strong cup of coffee today. Okay, so coffee is done. I love this little coffee mug here. Treat yourself. My sister gave me this for my birthday a couple years back, and it is my favorite coffee mug. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. I hope you guys have you a nice cup of coffee and enjoy your holiday. Thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because I will be posting very soon and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Bye.